Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to set up a fully automated CI/CD pipeline on AWS using GitHub, Codepipeline and Elastic Beanstalk. By the end of this video, whenever you push the code to the GitHub, your application will automatically deploy to AWS. There is no manual uploads, no buttons to click. Let's get started. In this workflow, we write a code and push it into the GitHub. The code pipeline which detects the changes and push it into the Elastic Beanstalk. This gives us continuous delivery with zero manual deployment steps. First, we will create our application in Elastic Beanstalk. Here in the console, search for Elastic Beanstalk and click on Create Application. Here we need to select the web server environment. Then the application name is dev. Scroll down and select the platform as PHP. Then scroll down, click on Next. Click on Next and simply skip to review. Click on Create Application. Once it's created, you will get a public URL of the application. Let us check the website. Click on the domain. So this is the application we are hosting. Next, we will create a code pipeline. Here, click on Create a Pipeline, select Build Custom Pipeline and click on Next. Here we need to name the pipeline, which is dev. And click Next. Here we need to provide the source provider, which is our GitHub. We need to connect our GitHub account. So this is my GitHub account and the repository name is CICD. Select the branch and click on Next. Skip the build stage. Skip the test stage. Here, for the deployer, we need to select Elastic Beanstalk and the application name is dev. Environment is dev env. Click on Next, then click on Create Pipeline. So we created the pipeline, but we need to add the IAM rule. See, the deployment was failed. So we need to attach an IAM rule. So let us go to the IAM. Go to roles, select the pipeline. Here under roles, we need to attach some policies, which are AWS Elastic Beanstalk administrator access. Add permissions. That's it. Now let's go to our code pipeline and rebuild it. Our application was successfully deployed. Now let us go to Elastic Beanstalk and simply refresh it. See, we got the code which is present in our GitHub repository. Let us make the changes in the GitHub repository to test the CI/CD is working fine or not. For that, we need to log into our GitHub. So let us change the color, green, change to yellow, and commit the changes. The deployment will be started. It is under the deployment stage, and the color was not changed yet. Wait till the application is deployed successfully and simply refresh it. See, the color was changed to yellow color. And that's it. Your deployment is now fully automated. Every time you push to the GitHub, AWS take care of everything. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more AWS and DevOps tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.